Imagine a dish that is a symphony of flavors, a medley of spices, and a celebration of textures. Picture a bowl of tender, marinated chicken pieces swimming in a creamy tomato sauce, seasoned with a blend of aromatic Indian spices and garnished with a dollop of melting butter. That's the Indian butter chicken for you, a culinary masterpiece that is as rich in taste as it is in history. The journey towards creating this dish begins with the marination of the chicken. Choose boneless chicken pieces and marinate them in a mixture of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a blend of spices including red chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala. Allow the chicken to soak up these flavors for a minimum of 2 hours, though overnight marination is ideal for the best results. Next, dive into the creation of the sauce. Start with melting some butter in a pan. Sauté finely chopped onions until they turn golden brown. Add in some ginger garlic paste and continue to sauté until the raw smell disappears. Now, introduce the tomatoes, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and the spices have blended well. The marinated chicken now takes the center stage. Add the chicken pieces to the sauce and cook until they are tender and fully cooked. This is the time to pour in some fresh cream, adding a velvety texture to the sauce. Stir well, ensuring the chicken pieces are well coated with the creamy sauce. The final act of this culinary performance is the addition of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Crush the leaves between your palms and sprinkle over the butter chicken. This imparts a unique aroma and enhances the flavor profile of the dish. Now, the masterpiece is ready. A bowl of Indian butter chicken, best served with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread, promising a gastronomic journey through the heart of India with each bite. In summary, the Indian butter chicken is a simple yet sophisticated dish. It starts with marinating chicken pieces in a blend of yogurt and spices, followed by preparing a tomato-based sauce. The marinated chicken is then cooked in this sauce, enriched with fresh cream. A sprinkle of dried fenugreek leaves wraps up the dish, adding a final touch of flavor and aroma. Despite its complex flavors, the process is straightforward and easy to follow, making it a perfect dish to prepare at home. So roll up those sleeves and immerse yourself in the art of creating this Indian classic.